The Mechen M30 is marketed as a budget digital audio player that supposedly delivers high-quality sound and a distraction-free music experience. But the real question is it actually worth it, or is it just another cheap MP3 player? Now, to be fair, dedicated music players still have a place in 2026. Some people prefer them over smartphones for offline listening, better battery life, and a more focused music experience. What it does well, affordable price. This is one of the M30's biggest strengths. It offers a dedicated music player experience without spending hundreds of dollars. Supports lossless audio formats. The player can handle formats like FLAC, allowing users to listen to higher quality music files. Where the hype falls apart, it is still a budget player. This is the biggest issue. While functional, it cannot match the performance of premium digital audio players. The user interface can feel dated. Navigation and responsiveness are often less polished than modern smartphones. Sound quality improvements may be modest. Unless you're using quality headphones and high-quality files, the difference may not be dramatic. So, is the Mechen M30 worth it? Short answer, yes, if you want an affordable dedicated music player. No, if you're expecting a premium audiophile experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.